I'm Randy, and this is my piece of crap boat. It's a 1989 Bayliner 2455 that we're actually trying to make a decent boat out of again. A lot of work's gone into it, and if you look back at the past videos, you can see how far it's come. But today, we're going to get back to this interior and try to get it back together. So now the hard part is getting this back on, and this plate which I don't know where this, I'm missing so many screws, man. I thought I put them all in this bag, but something just doesn't seem right. And I should have filled these dang holes, because what's going to happen, dang it. Right there. I don't know why it pulled out right there. That's why. This is hard. That's just the way it goes. It's not actually very easy.
It's variable. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company affiliates and other insurers discount in all stages situations.
To find this dang hole. So all of our carpet is in now. So what we're going to do now, that's interesting. They don't line up. Those don't line up either. I think that one does. lined up. It actually drilled a hole itself too. Yeah, wow. Okay. It's crazy that a bolt will screw in self-drill better than any screw I've used today. Okay, recorder, I can do that. What I'm gonna have to do is put the washer, get my impact, and put the washers and the nuts in and screw them that way, because I mean, they're on there. All right. My knees are so raw, but as you can see, we got these covers back on. Got a hole cut. We got these covers back on. We got this standing back on. Got our trim piece back up. This piece is setting on here. I have to put some adhesive on it. We still got to figure out how. I can't stand those flat, so whoops. There was no point. We're just gonna have to, I don't know, put a picture over it or something. But it's been a long day. It just doesn't seem like we did a whole lot, but pretty happy. We got that piece up, got the wood back on, got the step back in. We got all of this adjusted right, like it's never been before. The door is so much nicer now. It's not hidden. Opens and closes easy. We still got the issue of the carpet inside. But we'll deal with that. But yeah, the door shuts, carpet's in. Exciting news is while we were up here working on this, the switch panel I was waiting for the cabinet came in today. So I can cut that board, get that installed on there. And yeah, it's time now to get the cabinet back in. Like I said when I started off, when I get stuff like taken apart and nothing's going back together, I start to freak out. And like I said, that's probably what is helpful because it keeps me moving and motivated. But yeah, the last day or so I've been kind of frazzled with like everything's torn apart. So now that I've actually put something back in and stuff is going back together, I feel a lot better. But yeah. So now, yeah, we'll go down and work on that cabinet. Not too bad. Thanks for watching.